Enjoy the view of this 2018 Chevrolet Traverse. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. The Traverse is your calm, capable refuge in a hectic world. Designed to be family-friendly with a can-do heart, its technology protects, connects, and entertains. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, power liftgate, power passenger seat, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, third row seat, electronic stability control, power driver seat. Life can be complicated. Why not drive a vehicle that's got your back? Get into the Traverse and exhale.